Kailangan sermonan mo sila. Kahit si Paul yan, si Mark Baroka, tinanong ko siya, paano mo pinagsasabihan, sinesermonan yung mga veterans? Mahinaho naman daw. For example, Kuya Mark, dapat kasi nag-cut ka nalibre ka sana. Back to you.
Pwede ba yun, Doc? Manermong ka mahinaho?
May kontik na nga masama.
Pero yung kinikwento ni Miss Apple, who better to learn how to become a clutch player but from L.A. Tenorio as Cruz Demont finally breaks the silence para sa bossing.
Oh, nag-nalisyon niya si Becker. And then sa quick attempt, you set up, you've got to shoot.
Si
pwedeng dribble.
Si L.A., alam natin yung mga historic na mga buzzer beater niya throughout the storied career. Tinanong natin nga minsan, paano mo ginagawa yan? Si L.A., alam mo, simple-simple sagot mo, pakapanan lang na mukha yan, tira lang ng tira.
Lalo na noong unang stages of his career, lalo na nasa Alaska na siya. He was known as a Mr. Fourth Quarter man. Pagdating ng fourth quarter,